Hey Nordies! Spending money online is easy. You can get something that you need or don't in just a few clicks. And in this video, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to pay safely for your goods. But before we move on, don't forget to click that magic button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's get back to the tips so that your money doesn't go down the drain. Tip number 1, make sure that the payment website is secure. Firstly, make sure that the website uses a secure connection. Its address should begin with HTTPS, meaning that it uses a secured HTTP protocol. You can also click on the padlock symbol next to the web address to check the connection security. Here you can also check the website's certificate. If you see that the certificate is not valid, it's an obvious red flag. Tip number 2, use reliable shopping websites. If you encountered a website that you haven't seen before, do a quick online research about it. Check existing customer reviews and make sure that there's no negative info about the service in general. Also, try navigating through the website. If you spot grammar mistakes, too good to be true offers, lack of data about its contact details, staff and address, you should think twice before using it. Tip number 3, use VPN when on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi can be unsafe. They often don't have proper protection and hackers can easily snoop or snatch your data from them. So, we recommend using your mobile data instead. But if you still insist on using public Wi-Fi, make sure you use a VPN to encrypt your traffic. In this case, no one's going to be able to see what you do and steal your precious data. NordVPN is the best option for staying protected. Tip number 4, use antivirus software. Sometimes the problem can be not a dodgy website or a criminal, but your device. Malware can easily make your transaction unsafe even on the most reliable website. A hacker can steal your data by using malware injected into your device, so always make sure you have the antivirus software on. And of course, update it regularly. Tip number 5, use your credit card or a payment service. Avoid using debit cards as they're often linked directly to your bank account and may result in riskier exposures. It's also easier to dispute fraudulent charges taken out of your credit card than from a debit card. If you don't want to give a website your card details at all, use a payment service instead. So, hope these tips will help you. However, if you've experienced any fraud or any other form of unlawful charges, inform the law enforcement agencies immediately. Stay safe. Make sure to share your opinion in the comment section down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out our other content. We've got loads of stuff that you may be interested in. Check out this video, for example.